Newired digital adoption solution enables users to follow step-by-step guidance in any web application, helping to support onboarding, reduce pressure on help desks, and ensure that processes are followed correctly. We deliver assistance that matches users' roles and skills. While doing so, Newired can optionally track user behavior to gain insights into how users interact with both the guidance and the application itself, gather valuable feedback, and identify areas where improvements may be needed. This kind of tracking is available in the Analytics section, which is accessible from the Newired portal. The Analytics page contains several subsections, and we will start first with the Journeys section. In the Summary section, there are basic information such as how many users have worked with journeys within the selected time range, how many journeys have been started, and how many of them were successfully completed. The User Engagement section presents overall DAP usage performance in a graphical format. In addition to the total number of users and launched journeys, you can also see the number of journey issues, which helps quickly identify whether users failed to complete some journeys. In the General Overview section, you can see how users have been engaging with the journeys within the selected time frame. The Journey Usage Overview table contains one row for each journey launched by users. It displays how many users ran each journey, how many total runs occurred. You can find the percentage of users who completed a specific journey and the percentage of successful runs. The journey usage is also visualized in a heat map showing the total number of journey runs with varying color intensity, which is making it easy to identify which journeys are used the most. The Journey Usage Trend Area chart provides a graphical overview of how each journey has been used within the selected time period. This chart can be displayed either as absolute counts or as percentages. The next section is the Result Analysis section that helps you understand the outcomes of each journey's performance. No data status appears when users close the browser window while a journey is running. Failed journeys indicate that there may be a problem with the journey's logic, causing it to fail. Drop-off status is shown for journeys that were manually stopped by users before the last step was completed, and the success status is shown when the journey was successfully completed to the end. In this section, analytics data can also be displayed as either absolute counts or percentages. The journey fail and journey drop-off tables show detailed information about the journey issues over time. These views help determine whether the issues are consistent or only occasional. Journey failures usually indicate problems with the journey's logic, while drop-offs may suggest that the guidance is confusing or unclear at some point. Time effort on the journey is a graphical view showing how time-consuming each journey is. By hovering over the bars, you can see more detailed information such as the maximum and the minimum time users spent on that specific journey. For each journey, you can access detailed analytics focused specifically on the journey. By clicking on a journey name, you are redirected to its detailed analytics view. The user completion table lists all users who interacted with the selected journey, showing who completed it successfully, including the date of completion, and who launched this journey but did not finish. In the Journey Analysis area chart, you can view the journey's overall performance results. The view can be switched again between absolute counts and percentages. And the Step Analysis area chart provides similar information but focused on each individual step of the journey. This is particularly useful for identifying which steps are failing, so you can adjust the content accordingly. And the time effort on a step view shows how time-consuming each step is. In all the analytics sections, you can switch between different time periods to filter the data as you need. You can also view analytics data based on the segmentation if it has been applied to your content. This allows you to obtain more precise insights, for example, data related to specific user groups.